Hello, I'm Zed3rd and today I'm going to show you how to find the index of the second occurrence of a letter in a string. This is code words and it's a 7 Caillou challenge. And this is how it works. So we need to write a function that takes a string and the letter as an input and then returns the second occurrence if it exists. If it doesn't, return -1. Now the return -1 is the first thing I want to tackle here. Because in Python, you can just do if s, which is the string, if s.find symbol, which is the thing we want to find, is equal to -1. Now, with find, if it doesn't exist, it returns -1. So if this is -1, then we just return -1. So that's that bit done. Now for the other one, here's what we're going to do. We'll make this into a list. So s.list, like that. There we go. And we want to remove the symbol. Now this basically just removes the first instance of that. So you just do s.remove symbol. Now in here, if you want to find L, it will remove the first L. So, and for here, let's say if there was an A, it will just remove the first A and then, but it will leave the others. Now this is where the try except function comes in. Now we want to try and return the index of whatever remains of the symbol. So index symbol +1. Now, so because only one of the occurrences is removed, we want to find the second occurrence. So we try to find the second occurrence. And if it does, then it's fine, no problem. And now if it doesn't work, it will return a never, in which case, except function of except return, if I can spell correctly, return -1. So this is if it only occurs once. If it doesn't occur twice, it will return this except thing. If it does occur twice, it will return the index of that second bit. The reason being is because in Python, the first thing, so this H here, is a 0, not a 1. And if we test this, it doesn't work. Yay. Why? Why does it not work? I see. I was right the first time. It works. The reason it didn't work is because we're making S into a list, and that list is whatever the symbol is. So it will be a one thing. Yeah, that's my bad. S equals list S yada yada. It just makes S into a list, which is important because we want this into a list so we can then find the first thing, the second thing, third thing, and so on, the index of it. And yes, it does work.